to action. Insights alone won't move the needle, action does. Epiphany to action is the podcast for executives, entrepreneurs, and decision makers who don't just want to think about change, but let it.
You suddenly get limitless moment to choose what you want. And how do you do that? If you have been under control so long, and your nervous system is in misalignment, is a kind of in chaos and disorder. Any choice you make requires trust. Trust in yourself, trust in your environment, trust in a different kind of safety. This time you have to save yourself. So you have to trust your safety again. You didn't do that for a long time. And now you're in alignment. Now you have to. Because alignment asks you to get in control of yourself. Your own leadership is key now. And how do you do that? It takes time to build. It takes time to build yourself again. So don't be uneasy with yourself. Have a little bit of compassion. A lot of compassion. Self-love is key for this process. It's not an easy process. You're going to want to hit yourself in your head. Why? It's impossible because you're smart. You're a knowledgeable woman. You're wise. You're intelligent. How did you get so far of yourself? It's so confronting to accept that and then to start working on that. You have to go through the shame, through everything to get yourself, to the shame, to the guilt, I don't want to go too deep now in it, but you know what I mean? And to get yourself out there and especially be visible. Be visible again, not only at home, but also out there. But it starts alone. You have to see yourself now. You have to be first visible for yourself now. Inner visibility and outward visibility. These are all things, all topics that I capture in my master classes as well. And now on the media platform where you are already now, you get the workbook. But if you want to go farther, just look on the agenda for the master classes that I'm putting, the events that we are organizing. And we also in the near future will have mentoring possibilities. Okay, so it's quite a bit, but we have to walk you through it. And that's why I'm here, because I know what I'm talking about. I know the steps that you have to go through, the recognition, the awareness. Okay, so it takes time to build your inner self back. Not to be the old one, because you are already a new one. You are a new you, and you are in the becoming of one of the most powerful women on earth, because you've been through this. Oh, welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. So before I close this, I want to give you some wisdom activation ideas for this week. Okay, I want you to notice one moment where things feel calm, clear, or aligned. Okay, instead of questioning it, pause and say, this is safe, even if it feels unfamiliar. And you can use the tap system, the tap method, and you can just tap on your breast, just here on this space, and tell yourself, this is safe. You have to feel it. completely, deeply. Okay? This is safe. Even if it feels unfamiliar, it is safe. Okay? Try this. This whole week, calm your nervous system. Get closer to your essence. Let your body sit in that moment a little longer than usual. Okay? You are not forcing trust. Cannot be forced to. Okay? You are allowing it to enter. You are allowing trust to come in again because you put trust in yourself out to trust someone, something, some group, but you. Okay? So we are walking out of it today. Okay?